Hello and welcome to This Old Geek. After I put on the initial coat of the homemade paper clay, I started to touch things up a little bit and add a little bit here and there. Here I am adding a little bit to the feet because he wasn't standing well enough on his own. I had to make the feet just a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. And then I just started touching up and filling in areas, trying to make it as smooth as possible. Now here I'm adding the trim around his gloves and around his hat or his cap. Here I'm filling out the pants a little bit, try to make it look like he's actually wearing pants instead of just making it look like just one thing. And then I start working on the face with the chin. I filled the nose out a little bit. Now here I'm just using clay that I had bought at a craft store. It's called Creative Paper Clay. So getting the details in the face put in, filling out the cheeks, or putting on the cheeks, and the mouth. Here I am rolling out some of the store-bought paper clay so I can use it for the trim around his coat. Putting that trim on there to, separate the coat from his pants. So I didn't want it to all run together. For the eyes, I'm just making his lids, and you see I drew them on there with a pencil. I'm just going to paint the eyes on, and here I'm filling out the forehead a little bit more. Putting some hair on him and giving him some sideburns. Here I am spreading some drywall compound. This is going to help make them smooth. And as you can see, I'm applying it with a silicone spatula, which does a great job with that. After the drywall compound dries, I rub it down with a damp cloth. So I still have a bit more to do on this, and I will complete this in part 2 of finishing my Christmas elf. So that's it for now. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.